Hey guys, I'm excited to get started on some fun holiday Christmas tutorials for you this year. Before we do, I wanted to mention that I've created several Christmas tutorials over the years and you can find them all in my playlist 12 Days of Christmas. Today I have a cute lollipop ornament tutorial for you. I created two slightly different versions, one with all natural string and one with a combo of natural string and light taupe string. For the base of the lollipop, you'll need 2 feet of 8mm string, or if you don't have thick string, you can use several 2-foot pieces of a thinner string. For the all-natural lollipop, you'll need 2 4-foot pieces of 3mm natural string, and for the other, you'll need a 4-foot piece of 3mm natural string and another 4-foot piece of 3mm light taupe string. You'll be wrapping the 8mm string with 3mm string. Glue the end of each piece of 3mm string to one end of the 8mm string. Wrap the 3mm string around the 8mm string, gluing it down after every few wraps. Now I'm going to stop wrapping and add some glue, and I'm going to keep doing that until I reach the end of the 3mm string. Once you've reached the end, glue it down as well. Roll the string up and glue it as you go to the bottom of the lollipop so that you don't see the glue from the top. I found some wooden skewers in a drawer in my kitchen that worked well for the handle. I just cut them to size about 6 inches long and glued them to the back. A wooden popsicle would work too. Cut a piece of felt to use as the backing to your lollipop. This gives it a more finished look, in my opinion. It will be about 3 inches in diameter. Grab a piece of ribbon that is about 1 foot long. I'm using beige Sari Silk ribbon. Tie a bow and glue it to the front of your lollipop. Cut a 6-inch piece of 1mm string and use a tapestry needle to thread it through the top of your ornament. Tie a knot to attach both ends and then hang it on your tree. I found a few wooden stars and a bell in my craft box and thought if you wanted to add a little something extra to your lollipop, you could thread them together and then glue them underneath your ribbon. Just another idea for you. I'm excited to share some more holiday tutorials with you in the near future. Thanks for watching.